Hello audience, so today we will discuss lecture number 32 and I have collected all these vocabulary from Dawn newspaper. So first of all, a transgender, a person whose gender identity differs from the sex the person was identified as having at birth. Next one, jeering. So to have a harsh, unpleasant effect on someone or something. Junjulahart. Next one, ransacs. So its meaning is to search for something in a way that causes disorder or damage. Next one, assault. The meaning of assault is a hamla karna, violent physical attack, to hit, to strike. Next one, feasible. So its meaning is possible to do, practical. Next one, plausible. So possibly true, believable or realistic. Kabili fahm. And the meaning of feasible is mumkin. Next one, provocation. So uksana, excitement, incitation, incitement, instigation. Next one, confronted. So the meaning of confronted, to directly question the action. Next one, to face someone, blasphemy. So great disrespect shown to God. Next one, viable. Blasphemy meaning tawheen amaz. Viable, kabile amal, capable of being used or done, workable, practical, pragmatic. Next one, bizarre. So ajib, very unusual or strange. Next one, slacker. So susti karne wale, a person who avoids work and responsibilities. Next one, invoke. Invoke mean pukarna, generate, yield, induce, create, cause, bring about. Next one, odious. So causing hatred or strong dislike. Next one, spectacle. So the meaning of spectacle is display, show, performance, or something that attracts attention because it is very unusual or very shocking. Next one, repugnant, nafrat anges. So causing a strong feeling of dislike or disgust. Next one, inculcate, पैदा करना, infuse, ingrain. Next one, invest, inoculate. Next one, clamoring. So allowed or strong demand for something by many people. Next one, brutalizing. So the meaning of brutalizing is zulam karna, to treat in a very harsh and usually violent way. Next one, deter. So to prevent from happening. Next one, dalliance, non-serious involvement, a casual romantic or sexual relationship. Next one, intuitively, so agreeing with what seems naturally right. Next one, for, so forward, interior. Next one, conspicuous, very easy to see or notice, clearly visible. Numaya, wazih, aya. Next one, interrogated, so to question, quiz, ask, inquire, पूछ-गुछ. Next one, pleads, so argue, assert, reason, or to maintain. Next one, hoodwink, धोखा देना, so to deceive or track someone. Next one, antics, very playful, funny, silly, foolish. Next one, slipshod, so very careless, poorly done or mad. And the last one is discernment, so judgment, the ability to judge well, samajdari. So it's all for today and thanks for watching Dawn Times. At the end I will suggest a famous book, Pakistan Beyond the Crisis State, which was written by Maliha Lodi along with other authors, and this is a famous book and recommended by APSC for all CSS aspirants, because this book consists of many chapters, and every chapter has been written by different authors, because the book consists of different topics. As you people see, the past and present by Aisha Jalal, why Jinnah matters by Akbar Ahmed, why Pakistan will survive by Mohsin Hamid, Beyond the Crisis State, which was written by Maliha Lodi, ex-Pakistani ambassador to United States as well as to UN, Army and Politics by Shuja Nawaz, Praetorian and the People by Saeed Shafkat, Ideologically Adrift by Ziad Haider, Battling Militancy Zahid Hussain, which has also written many books, Retooling Institution Ishrat Hussain, he was the Governor General of State Bank of Pakistan, An Economic Crisis State by Mikal Ahmed, Boosting Competitiveness by Mudassir Mazhar Malik, Turning Energy Around by Ziad Alabad, Education as a Strategic Imperative by Shanza Khan and Mueed Yusuf, National Security Advisor to Imran Khan, Mueed Yusuf. He also presented national security policy from 2022 to 2026. Pakistan as a nuclear state, Feroz Hassan Khan, Reversing Strategic Shrinkage by Munir Akram, Ambassador to UN, The Afghan Conundrum or Afghan Fiasco, Afghan Issue by Ahmad Rashid, The India Factor by Sayyid Rifat Hussain, and the concluding note by Maliha Lodi. So this book consists of different chapters and different topics, and for me it is interesting, knowledgeful, quite insightful. So thank you for listening to Dawn Times, and stick to Dawn Times for more videos and updates, and may the God watch over you. May the blessing of God never cease upon you. Thank you and good luck.